Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Philips and other leading blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, crushing ice, or preparing dough, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Philips ProMix Viva Collection Hand Blender, HR262991. This budget-friendly option packs a surprisingly decent punch with its 300-watt motor, making it ideal for basic blending tasks. The SpeedTouch technology gives you intuitive control, allowing you to increase blending power with just a simple squeeze of the Turbo Boost button. Plus, its triangle-shaped ProMix technology, developed in partnership with Stuttgart University, ensures consistent and fast blending results. The design is sleek, with a black and stainless steel finish that feels modern yet durable. The included on-the-go tumbler is a nice touch, making it convenient for anyone who wants to blend and carry their smoothies immediately. The hand blender is lightweight, dishwasher-safe, and features a splash guard to keep your kitchen mess-free. However, with only 2 speeds, the performance may feel limited for more demanding tasks. This blender is an excellent choice for those on a budget who need a no-frills device for simple tasks like blending smoothies, soups, or sauces. While it's not designed for heavy-duty use, its affordability and portability make it a great entry-level option. Pros include its price, intuitive controls, and compact design. However, the lower motor power and limited accessories might not suit more advanced users. Coming in at number 4 is the Philips ProMix Viva Collection Hand Blender, HR262791. While it shares many features with its budget-friendly sibling, this version offers added versatility thanks to its additional attachments. The whisk accessory, for instance, allows you to whip cream, prepare pancake batter, or even mix homemade mayonnaise. Like the previous model, it features SpeedTouch technology and a 300-watt motor that delivers consistent, reliable performance for light to medium blending tasks. The design is compact and modern, with easy-to-detach accessories that simplify cleanup. The ProMix technology shines here as well, ensuring smooth and even results. However, this model steps up with a slightly more robust set of included components, such as a 350-milliliter chopper attachment that expands its functionality beyond simple blending. Despite these enhancements, it still lacks the power and capacity of larger countertop blenders. Overall, this model is perfect for those who want a little extra flexibility without breaking the bank. It's great for small kitchens, thanks to its compact size, and it's an upgrade for users who want more versatility. Pros include its lightweight design, additional accessories, and consistent performance. The cons? It's still limited by its 300-watt motor, so it's not ideal for heavy-duty blending or ice crushing. At number 3, we have the Braun MQ5025 Hand Blender Multi-Quick Vario. This hand blender stands out for its German-engineered quality and powerful 400-watt motor. The Vario Speed technology offers 21 distinct speed settings, giving you unparalleled control over your blending. Whether you're chopping, whisking, or pureeing, This blender tackles a variety of tasks with its high-precision stainless steel blades and unique bell-shaped blending shaft. The design is ergonomic and lightweight, making it easy to handle during extended use. The Easy Click accessory system allows you to switch between attachments effortlessly, while splash control technology ensures a mess-free experience. This model includes a beaker, whisk, and chopper, making it a versatile tool for everyday kitchen tasks. However, its relatively compact 20-ounce capacity may not be sufficient for larger batches. For those who value precision and durability, the Braun NQ5025 is a fantastic option. It's ideal for users who need a reliable hand blender for frequent use, particularly for tasks like pureeing soups or making baby food. Pros include its superior control, high-quality build, and versatile accessories. The only downsides are its smaller capacity and slightly higher price compared to other hand blenders. At number 2, we have the Ninja Professional Blender 1000W BL610. This countertop blender is a powerhouse with its 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology that pulverizes ice, frozen fruits, and vegetables in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches of smoothies or frozen drinks, making this blender ideal for families or entertaining guests. The design is sturdy and professional, with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts that simplify cleanup. The included recipe guide is a nice touch, offering inspiration for a variety of drinks and dishes. Its push-button controls are straightforward, offering 4 speed settings to suit different tasks. However, while it's fantastic for blending and crushing, it lacks the versatility of models with food processor attachments or smaller individual cups. This blender is perfect for those who prioritize power and capacity over multifunctionality. It's an excellent choice for smoothie lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone who needs a reliable blender for daily use. Pros include its powerful motor, large capacity, and easy cleanup. Cons include its bulkier design and the lack of accessories for other kitchen tasks. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770. This premium blender is more than just a blender. It's a full kitchen system. With an impressive 1500-watt motor, this machine can handle everything from crushing ice to mixing dough. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for large batches, while the 8-cup food processor attachment offers consistent chopping and dough mixing. It also includes 2 16-ounce Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids for personalized smoothies. The design is robust and versatile, with dishwasher-safe parts for hassle-free cleanup. The 4 unique blade assemblies are optimized for different tasks, making this blender a true multitasker. Whether you're making smoothies, purees, or even bread dough, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System has you covered. However, its larger size and higher price point may not suit everyone. This is the ultimate choice for serious home cooks or anyone who wants a versatile kitchen appliance that can replace multiple tools. Pros include its unmatched power, multifunctionality, and large capacity. The only real con is its bulkier design, which might not fit in smaller kitchens. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Ninja Mega Kitchen System is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.